Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone overheating issues after the iOS update, especially while charging or using apps. Let's get started. First, if you recently updated your iPhone, wait around 24 to 48 hours. After a major iOS update, your iPhone runs background tasks like indexing and optimization, which can temporarily cause heating. If the issue continues, remove your phone case while charging. Some cases trap heat and make the overheating problem worse. Next, open the Settings app and tap on Battery. Turn on low power mode to reduce background activity and lower device temperature. Now go back, tap on General, then select Background App Refresh. Turn it off for apps you don't really need running in the background. After that, go to Accessibility, tap Motion, and enable Reduce Motion. This reduces heavy animations and helps your iPhone run cooler. Also, avoid gaming, video editing, or using demanding apps while your iPhone is charging. Finally, restart your iPhone to clear temporary bugs and refresh the system. And that's it. Your iPhone overheating issue after iOS should now be improved. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS fixes, and troubleshooting tutorials.